So this is our IP68 12-volt RGB LED light strip. It is waterproof, and when I mean waterproof, it is covered in 4mm of silicone. You can cut the strip at any time by cutting on these spots every 3 LEDs. The strip itself is 5 meters long. It has 300 LEDs in the 5 meter strip, and that's 60 LEDs every meter. The strip itself is 4mm thick and 12mm wide. It is a rigid strip and can go around corners easily. It comes with a remote control like that, and you can change colours, whichever colour you like, or you can have it flashing for a party. The strip is ideal for pools, spas, outdoors, on trucks, buses, cars, or anywhere you'd like to put it. If you'd like to add music to it, all you need to do is buy one of these, which is a music controller, and it flashes the strip to the music. There's a small one, and there's also a larger one which accommodates 3 different strips. That's about it for now. If you've got any questions, please give me a call on 0451 175 440. Thanks for watching.